Hey guys, I'm coming to you from the floor. Morgan is right there. And we are here to show you how Buttercup feels like it's about to ready to explode. Look at that size of that belly. And I know you can't see her really well, but that's what she's been doing the last couple of days. She's been burrowing. She doesn't want to go out. She's been hiding. I think if by tomorrow she hasn't had the babies, I'm going to weigh her again because she looks really big. Today, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit more about the habits of the cats, things that cats do. I mentioned it briefly. They are from the family of the felines. Felines are cats, and we talked about wild cats and domesticated cats. So our wild cats are big cats, which are lions
and
tigers. What else? Maybe jaguars and cheetahs. And our domesticated animals are the cats. All of them are predators. Morgan, do you know what a predator is? No? Do you want me to tell you? A predator is an animal that hunts. So they hunt.
Like some lions do hunt.
Yeah, lions hunt. And what do they hunt? Why do they hunt? Do you know?
To look for food.
To look for food. So they're predators. They hunt for their food, and they are carnivores. Do you know what the carnivore means? What?
Carnivore means I
forgot. What type of food do they eat? Do lions eat vegetables?
No.
What do they eat? Do they eat fruits?
No.
Do they eat meat?
No.
Meat from other animals?
Yeah.
Yes. Carnivores means that they eat meat. So where the food that lions or cheetahs or jaguars would eat are antelope and maybe deer or bison or any of those wild animals. But cats are not that big, right? They couldn't hunt for a bison or they couldn't hunt for an antelope. They could instead hunt for mice or little moles or maybe a groundhog, even birds. So cats that are carnivores, so they need meat. So everything that a cat eats will contain proteins and all those things that you would find on a carnivore. So if you have a cat or a dog, because dogs are carnivores too, and you go look into their food bag, and you'll see that they say things like, "Oh, with fish," or with
Cats eat fish.
Cats eat fish,
And
or
food.
Yeah, or with cow or with chicken, because those are the types of things that they eat as predators, right? So in terms of cats, we have domesticated cats, which is what um, Buttercup is. She's a very friendly cat. But there's also feral cats. And feral cats are cats that have not had any human interaction, and thus they're very scared of humans. They're pretty much wild. They're wild animals. You can find feral cats everywhere. There's actually a very big colony of feral cats in Portland, and there's also a rescue organization called Friends of Feral Felines, and their job is not to domesticate them, but they feed them, they trap them, and they make sure that they're spayed or neutered so they can't have more babies, and then they release them back into their colonies. So they do take care of them, but they don't send them back to a home. And then you have cats that are friendly, like Buttercup, and she comes, like I said before, from Heart, Homeless Animal Rescue Team in Cumberland, and our job there is also to take care of them. to feed them, to domesticate them, to make sure that they're going to make a good pet so that they can go to a home, a good home. So let's see her again. Guys, let's answer the following questions. So look at her. Look at how big she is. She's like, don't scratch my belly. Cats don't like their belly scratched because it's where they feel most vulnerable. If a predator was going to attack them, they would attack them by the belly. So that's why she is reacting the way she is. Plus, she's pregnant and she probably feels a little uncomfortable. So she is kind of telling me to back off. If you see her tail is twitching. She's not very happy right now that I'm bothering her, so I'm going to leave her alone because I don't want to make her upset. She's still pretty friendly. She's just, pregnant and tired and ready to have those babies. So answer this question to me. When do you think Buttercup is going to have her baby? Let's see who is right. I hope she has them this week. And I'm going to say she's going to have them on Saturday. I don't know why I'm fixated with the Saturday, but I think she's going to have them Saturday night. We'll see you tomorrow for another Buttercup update.
I think who's going to have them today?
Oh, Morgan thinks she's going to have them today. Tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.